Hey guys, welcome to Jhatpat Cooking. Today we are going to make Kholapuri style mutton biryani. It's a Maharashtrian style mutton biryani. It's super yummy and super delicious and easy to make. Let's get started. So in a mixing bowl, take 1 tomato, 2 onions, some ginger and garlic, 3 green chilies, some cilantro, mint leaf and fresh coconut. Mix it to a paste. Here I am using Prakash masala. You can also use your plain biryani masala with your mix masala. Add in the paste, mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon of dahi. Dahi or yogurt is very little. Add in some salt, turmeric and mix it and keep it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Now take a cooker, add 2 tablespoons of oil to it, add in the mutton pieces to it, add very little water to it. This will help the mutton to cook and won't burn. Now mix it well. Close the cooker and keep it for 4 to 5 whistles or until and unless the mutton cooks. Now take a big pot, add some water to it, add bay leaf, some black pepper, cloves, black cardamom and star anise, cinnamon stick and green cardamom to it. Add some salt and let the water boil. Once the water boil, add in the soaked white rice or basmati rice. Let it cook. Once you think the rice is 90% cooked, you strain the rice. This is how you check 90% cooked. It will break easily but it won't mash easily. Now to the rice, add in the fried onions, cilantro, slit green chili, and mint leaf. Now mix the rice. The rice is 90% cooked, so it won't break easily. Now in another pan, add in rice, add in the cooked mutton on top of it. We are adding very little rice in the bottom. Now after the rice mutton is added, take little milk, like 3/4 cup of milk, and add it to it. This will get the milk taste to it. Now add in the rest of the rice, cover it, and keep some heavy pan or heavy thing on it so the steam doesn't go. We are going to keep this rice on low flame for 10 minutes, first on medium flame for 5 minutes and then on low flame for 10 minutes. Once it cool down, open it and check the rice. Your mutton biryani is completely ready. Now enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe and share. See you later.